Are you ready for installation of your brand new iPad wall mount from Displine? If so, welcome to our instructional video about the Dame Wall 2.0. To begin with, our iPad wall mount set includes the wall mount, the front and the back plate, USB-C to USB-C charging cable, screws and dowels, 2 set screws and Allen key, foam pads, silicone distance pads, and power supply sold separately. For the installation, we will need the following tools: level, pencil, drill machine, 5mm drill bit, and Phillips head screwdriver. Let's begin. As you can see, we have already our single gang electrical box in the place, installed in the drywall. I prefer to have a deeper box, it just gives more space for excess wiring. Firstly, you should place the flash-mounted power supply unit in the box. It could have a USB-C or USB-A output to which we connect the tablet. As an alternative to 230 volts power supply, the customer can choose 120 volts version or PoE power supply. Going further, the backplate sizes vary depending on the tablet size. All of the backplate sizes use the same hole pattern, which is 100 by 100 mm. Take a look at the backplate design. It has 2 features that are used for secure fixing of the frame. This one is meant to be on the right-hand side on the wall. It is up to you what side you install it, but it is a default and recommended side since some tablets have their front cameras by the longer edge. As you can see, the design of the backplate gives some freedom of the product placement. The most important thing is to fix it to the wall properly leveled. I like to start this procedure by fixing the backplate with only 1 screw. If you care about the exact position of the frame on your wall, we provide dimensional drawings on our webpage where you can find precise dimensions to help you position the product centered to the electrical box. Now we insert the dowel into the hole. These dowels will work with drywalls in concrete or brick walls. Screw it down carefully, do not tighten it yet. We level it now and mark the other holes. Let's drill the rest of holes and screw them all. The soft foam pads at the backplate protect the tablet against fixing screws. Once the backplate is fixed, now it's time to put the frame with the tablet on it. The whole process of inserting the tablet into the frame and connecting the power supply is simple. It is time to hang the frame on the wall. First, we need to plug the power cable to USB-C port. Next step might be slightly challenging for new users. Begin by attaching the frame to the backplate, starting from the right-hand side. When the frame is attached, you will hear a click. If you want to protect your tablet from theft or prevent access by children, use provided set screw and Allen key. If you plan to use your iPad in both horizontal and vertical orientations, consider ordering an additional rotation unit from our selection. Installation is simple. Just use 4 screws to fix it to the backplate. Your iPad wall mount is now ready for use. Enjoy!